Hi alle sammen. Hello everyone. Welcome to Learn Norwegian with the Norwegian Language School. Today we will discuss embracing Syttende mai, Syttende mai, Syttende mai, May 17th, celebrating the Norwegian Constitution Day. Known locally as Syttende mai, Syttende mai, Syttende mai, or nasjonaldagen, nasjonaldagen, nasjonaldagen. Norwegian Constitution Day is a vibrant celebration held annually on May 17th. The day commemorates the signing of the Norwegian Constitution in Eidsvoll, Eidsvoll, Eidsvoll on May 17th, 1814, which marked Norway's independence from Denmark. This guide that we will have today will provide you with a cultural and linguistic understanding of this significant Norwegian celebration. Getting ready for the day, Norwegian vocabulary. Et flagg, et flagg, et flagg. A flag. En parade, en parade, en parade. A parade. En bunad, en bunad, en bunad. A national costume in Norway. Et skolekorps, et skolekorps, et skolekorps. A marching band. Preparation for Syttende mai, Syttende mai, Syttende mai often begins weeks in advance. Residents and businesses start by displaying norske flagg, norske flagg, norske flagg, Norwegian flags, on buildings and in public spaces. The traditional Norwegian costume known as the bunad, 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 is also prepared for wearing on the day. School children also start rehearsing with their skolekorps, 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 school marching bands, for the parade that is central to the day's celebrations. The festivities of the day. Norwegian vocabulary. Barnetoget, 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 the children's parade. Folketoget, 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 the people's parade. En grunnlovsdagstale, en grunnlovsdagstale, en grunnlovsdagstale, a Constitution Day speech. En iskrem, en iskrem, en iskrem, an ice cream. Ei pølse, ei pølse, ei pølse, a hot dog. Syttende mai, Syttende mai, Syttende mai is typically marked by barnetoget, 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 children's parade. A procession of school children through the streets, often led by the school's marching band. Later on the day, we have the folketoget, 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 the people's parade, where all people gathers in a parade. The largest parade occurs in Oslo, 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 and includes a royal salute from the palace balcony to the king and queen. Grunnlovsdagstale, 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 a Constitution Day speech, is also a key event, with selected speakers reflecting on the day's significance and the values enshrined in the Norwegian Constitution. Food also plays a central role in the celebration. While traditional Norwegian dishes are enjoyed, iskrem, 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 ice cream, and pølse, 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 hot dogs are particular favorites, snacks, especially among the younger crowd. Norwegian greetings for the day. Norwegian vocabulary. God dag, god dag, god dag, good day. Gratulerer, 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 congratulations. Gratulerer med dagen, gratulerer med dagen, gratulerer med dagen. Happy National Day. Learning some Norwegian greetings is essential to truly immerse yourself in the festivities. Begin with a simple good dag, good dag, good dag, good day. You can also use gratulerer, 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 congratulations, to congratulate someone on this special day. Moreover, to wish someone a happy National Day, you can say gratulerer med dagen, gratulerer med dagen, gratulerer med dagen. The day's celebrations often conclude with community activities like games, music, and sung, sung, sung songs. Do you want to learn more Norwegian? We are now offering a free Norwegian trial class. Sign up for a free trial class by going to our website nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no.